And as efforts to mitigate the effects of drought countrywide continue, residents of Balambala constituency in Garissa are a worried lot after River Tana burst its banks, causing floods in the area. The villages have been submerged and crops destroyed following the flood. The residents now fear that the situation may aggravate the already dire food situation in the area following the death of their livestock during the drought. The onset of the rains may have come as a relief for many in different parts of the country, but not so for residents of Balambala constituency in Garissa County, who are now faced with prospects of a prolonged famine. They have been forced to contend with the effects of a swollen River Tana, which burst its banks downstream, leaving a trail of destruction.
You can imagine all these people live along the river. They've tried farming since the drought has made life difficult for them in terms of livestock rearing. So we really ask the government to send a special team, look how they can mitigate the floods. Those who had turned to farming after losing their livestock during the drought have nothing to show for their efforts. Their crops have been washed away by the flood waters, and now they remain a helpless lot as they ponder their next move. They fear the destruction of their crops may worsen the already dire famine situation. They are now calling on the government to set up flood mitigation strategies before the situation gets out of hand. Garissa is one of the counties that were hard hit by drought, leading to loss of livestock, which are the county's mainstay. Janet Chapia, KTN News.